Hey guys, welcome back. I did not think I would be coming back to see you so soon, but I ordered these boxes on Wednesday, like Wednesday afternoon, and it's Friday afternoon and they just got here. So literally 48 hours later, they arrived. So I check the ThredUp website every single day for this particular box. These are fun boxes, and I have watched so many unboxings and they're for the most part great and definitely a value for your money. I'm hoping that holds true for me. So I ordered two because I have seen many people, like if you can't order a quantity, you have to order something, exits you out, and you have to order again. And I've seen sometimes people will then get a box from two different of the warehouses, is what I'm trying to say. That did not happen for me. Both of these came from Swanee, Georgia. I don't know if that's good or bad, because I've never gotten one, and it's all kind of a crapshoot. I will say the price, of course, I've never gotten my hands on one, and the price increased just this last week. So instead of being $24, these are $28 now, plus $5.99 shipping. So what's that, $34 total? So it went up $4. We'll see. A fun box means it's literally anything. I know I'm gonna get socks and scarves, and beyond that, you never know. Like I said, I've seen some really awesome unboxings, and so I've got two. So let's hustle. There should be about, excuse my mess, oh my gosh, approximately 10 items is what I'm told. Yep, 28 bucks. So they're both the same size box, and let's do this. Okay. So first thing I'm seeing, a blanket, a Kohl's football blanket, retailed for $13.99. I don't know if I can, I don't know, maybe I'll keep this. We do a white elephant exchange, and this is something I can maybe put in, like, I try to do a men's basket and a woman's basket with some beer. I don't know. So I'm not excited about that, but what'd I tell you? A scarf. What is this? So it's an infinity scarf. There isn't no tag on it, but it's this guy. I don't know, like an angel or something. And I found a liquor store. I drank it. I learned that from the pizza man. What? This must be like maybe a show. I don't know. I don't get it. Hey, something, but I don't know. Does anybody know what this is? No idea. Like, can I sell this? I don't know. Don't know. Oh, this is not so fun so far. Okay, some Hello Heel Contour Slim. It's very bright. I don't even have my light on today. It's so bright in here. Heel grips for no friction. I don't wear heels very often, so don't know. A bra, which would be exciting if it was like a Victoria's Secret or something. It is not. And it said it was 2 bras. It's only 1. A push-up by Daisy Fuentes. So it is new with the tag. That's nice, but the tag does say 2 bras, and it's only 1. It is a 38C. So this is a brand I see like at Ross and TJ Maxx. So I don't know if there's a resale there. Speaking of TJ Maxx, there's a TJ Maxx tag. So the nice thing about these boxes is most things that I've seen have the tags on them, which means, you can re-gift it. These are rain boot liners, size 7 to 9. I do, and they were $6.99 at TJ Maxx. So I've got some hunters. It's not cold here at all right now. So I don't know. I'm not too thrilled, guys. I'm a little sad, but 34 bucks. I mean, I know I don't ever want to make it seem like I don't care about money, but that just means I can't go to Target next week, right? Or I can't eat out. I don't know. These are from Steinmart. These are some socks. These are super weird. They're from Steinmart for $5.99. Like, that tag looks so old. Like, maybe they're vintage, but I mean, I'll keep these for myself. I do like to wear socks around the house. This looks like something I would buy on a cruise. No brand. It feels very cheap, like a cell phone It does have a tag on it still, so maybe it's new. I don't know. I don't think that's worth opening. Oh, can we have one thing good? Okay, this looks like maybe a piece of jewelry. This is, oh, two things. Check this out. Urban Outfitters, but it's from the UK because it's got the pound sign. $18. What is this? So if you're into this whole kind of vintage metal looking, like, is it supposed to be shiny? I don't really know. Like a layering necklace. I mean, maybe I can sell that. What do you think? I'm not really, don't wear a lot of jewelry. I've never really sold jewelry. In fact, if you watched my unboxing of all that Amazon return jewelry, I've still not listed any of it. I started to, and I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. I couldn't do it. This is, it says, I don't think it's ever been opened. To Vogue. It's probably French. I don't know. I can't say that. What is this? There's no price. It feels cheap. Yeah, it's just this little, like, Harry Potter looking deal. I don't know. So I'll probably give this to my daughter. So far, I think I'm like let down. I think I've just been so excited and been hunting for so long for this box. I mean, of course, if I had paid retail for all of this stuff, I already would have hit that $30, but I'm just looking for that one exciting piece, you know? A sunglasses case. Could this be the exciting piece? No. Diff. I got this brand once in a, what are those boxes called? It's like a fun box. What is it called? I don't know. What are these? These look like granny glasses, but they look little. I don't know. I think they're blue light blocking because they're not prescription. Diff eyewear. Yeah, and they kind of look bluish maybe. But these literally look like glasses that my grandma would wear. They're a very odd shape. I don't know, but I know that these, I remember getting this in that box. FabFitFun, that's what I'm trying to say. I got this brand, a brand of sunglasses. Amanda, is it wine time? I can't even speak. I got a pair of sunglasses and I actually resold them on Kidizen and paid for that entire box. So because retail, they were quite a bit. So I don't know, maybe that is. And this is my last piece. And it is a Victoria's Secret beach bag. It's cute. And it says it retailed for $48. I used to buy a lot at Victoria's Secret in my younger days. And it's got a very cute, like, silky lining. I do not need another beach bag. I don't know what bags like this are even selling for or if they're selling for anything. So at least it has a price on it instead of being like the free gift or something. But I don't know, guys. I'm glad I have a second one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A weird scarf. I don't know. $34. Was it fun to open for you all? Sure. Yes. Someone told me on one of my last videos in the comments that I'm so negative. Well, you don't have to watch my channel if you think I'm negative, but I like to think of myself as a realist, okay? I try not to be negative. I really do. Okay, so same thing. This box is super light. Like, at least Georgia, I will say, in my experience, I've ordered several boxes now, they do tend to go over the top with these packing bubbles, which is nice. Oh, not off to the best start already. There's a scarf, but at least this has a tag. Energy extra large. So it's not, it's a, what do you call this? Like a shawl thing, you know, it goes over your shirt. Yeah. Okay, what do we have here? A bag full of goodies. Do you like my vintage shirt? It's vintage now. I got this shirt when I was in college, which was a million years ago, so. Okay, some sunglasses. Now I'll probably wear these because I'm outside all the time and I'm always wearing. They're Forever 21. Let me take them out. They're actually kind of, the shape is very weird, but I really like the color. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. It's pink, but almost like tortoiseshell, but pink, like pearlescent, pearlized. I don't know. So they're from Forever 21, so $7.90. They call it peach brown. I don't know if I would call it peach brown, but let's see. So my daughters will get a kick out of me wearing those sitting out by the pool. Okay. What are you? What is this? Okay, so there's no tag. Is this like it's like a bib for an adult. Like, I mean, is this, I'm not trendy. I'm not with the times. I don't know what is in and what's not, but like, do you just wear this on your skin like a necklace? I have no idea. It's very blingy and it has like a bra strap style hook. Oh, it's Ted Baker. Okay, well, Ted Baker's decent. So maybe I could at least look it up. It doesn't, actually, let me look. It doesn't appear to have any missing jewels. No? Okay. All right, some more socks. Under Armour, Phenom. I can't even read today. Phenom. Let me stop trying. Unisex size medium, it says. Crew socks. There's no price, but they are brand new, which means I could look them up. I might try to sell these if I, if that's something that's selling. Looks like I'm down at the bottom already. Okay, this definitely came from the Dollar Tree because I have bought one of these there. So that's a bummer. That was negative. I'm being negative about that. Okay. I felt like part of me was excited that the price went up because I thought that meant, okay, if they're increasing their prices, maybe you're gonna get better stuff. But I ordered a men's box also, and they went up $20. Okay, this is $7.99 price tag. Rose quartz, a little stretchy bracelet. Probably can't sell that. Adore. Crystals from Swarovski, available at Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom. There's like one teeny little crystal right there. The rest of it's just like a rose gold. I don't know. Organic circle bracelet, it's called. Distributed by Swarovski Distribution. So maybe I can sell that. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, these are fun. This is Etika. ETTIKA, Los Angeles. Etika girl hashtag. Just some tassel earrings. They're cute. They're not super heavy. It's really bright in here. They're like a pink, 2 shades of pink. A very cheap passport cover, no brand. Somebody I watched recently got a Lily something like this, and I was like, that's so cute. I want that. Not looking at traveling, but okay. And there's one more item, a CB Gibson document folio, going places. This seems like something that somebody probably didn't want from a FabFitFun box. CR Gibson. This is not something I can sell. It's like there's a flaw on it. Maybe I can use this for all my thrift store receipts. That's it though. Let me see this. So it's just, so 1, 2, 3, can't forget this, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They didn't give me any extras in this, and guys, I have to be honest, like, unless this is worth a crap ton of money, which I doubt it, I do not feel like this box I don't know if I feel like either of them was worth $34, if I'm being completely honest. So that's a bummer. I know it's totally a crapshoot with these boxes. They are mystery boxes, and sometimes you're going to get great ones. Other times you're going to get crappy ones, but it kind of sucks to get two together that I don't feel are that great. Maybe, I don't know. So that's $68 I spent on this stuff. There's no way in heck I'm going to make $68 back on that. So anyway, I hope you had fun watching me try to have fun opening my 2 fun boxes. So will I order another one? Probably, because I have a problem, and I like mysteries. I don't know. I can't help it. I buy mystery boxes instead of Starbucks. I don't go to Starbucks. I don't really buy fast food. So I guess this is my extra, you know. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will be back. I was gonna do it this weekend. This weekend I'm gonna get my February what solds video up, because we're like a week into March, it feels like, and then I've got a men's ThredUp box coming. So all right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Bye.